Your mind, that's how that goes. How that goes. I don't wanna share, I want you all alone. All alone. I get in my feelings when you entertain hoes. When you entertain hoes. Baby, your mind, that's all I know. That's all I know.
It doesn't even match my eyes, but the whole look, it's the look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Erin Yvette, and today I'm going to be talking about this hair that I'm wearing. But before we hop into that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that you guys can join the fam and you can slay with us. And today I'm going to be introducing you guys to some new merch that will be launching to my site. So each week I'm going to be entering a new piece of merchandise that you guys can check out because y'all seem to really love the pieces that I wear. Today I'm wearing one of my chokers. This one is in silver and it does come in gold as well. I also have a couple of other styles I'm going to share with you in this video. This one's really cool. I like this choker because normally you would wear something that dangles in the middle when you're wearing like a v-neck top or something that's going to give you a little bit more cleavage and plunge. So for my ladies who love to wear, you know, those v-neck or deep v-cut tops, this is definitely a quick choker to pair with like any basic top and make it super glam. So this is definitely going to be on my site. I wanted to add this to my site specifically to wear with my bathing suits and two pieces since it is the summertime, so I think that would be really cute. So here it is in silver, and then here it is right here in gold. This is the other style right here. This is the Glam choker. Now the one I have on is like the Miss E choker. And so this one right here is the Glam choker. Now both of these chokers are heavy, so I don't want y'all to think that you're not going to get your money's worth because you definitely are. These are a little heavy choker, and I love the detail on this choker. So this one again is in silver as well, or gunmetal as my cousin calls it. It even comes in gold. Now if you guys are like normal on my channel, you guys are here all the time, you know that I don't even wear silver pieces like that, but both of these chokers have really inspired me to wear more silver, not just because they're mine, but because they're just so cute and they're easy to pair with everything. I literally have on a bandeau, and this it doesn't even match my eyes, but the whole look, it's the look. So here it is in gold. This is definitely my favorite out of all of the merch that I have so far. I will wear this so many different ways, so I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on it. And after you purchase it, ladies, send me pictures on Snapchat and Instagram. I would love to see how you guys style this so that I can share them on the business page as well. Chokers are available right now as you're watching this video. So now let's hop into my wig. The hair that I'm wearing was sent to me by UNIWIGS, and I will leave all of their information in the description box so that you ladies can check it out yourselves. But all I have right now is a really quick initial review since I've only worn this for about 3 days. This is a 16-inch wig. I did not apply any coloring or bleaching to it. I didn't even bleach the knots, which I think that this wig came pre-plucked and the knots were bleached already because it looks really good. The hair is pretty easy to manage. The only hard part for me was applying a full lace wig. So if you're not used to applying a full lace wig, it can be a little bit of a hassle. It did come with clips and it did come with a extended band that I can sew onto the cap, but as for the wig right now, like how you see it right now, there is no combs, there is no band, so it's literally just on my head by the grace of God and some got-to-be glue. So with that being said, I kind of wish that it came with the combs or at least a band already on it, some type of security, because it literally was just a straight wig cap and you literally have to form it to your head. Some people may like that. I personally don't, because it's not going to be your typical throw on and go wig. You literally got to do a little bit of work. However, you don't have to go into much with the customization. I literally applied powder to my parting space because I knew I didn't have time to bleach the knots, and it looks very natural. It looks very great. I personally don't like my whole baby hair situation or whatever, but I do like that I'm able to go back and fix it if I had extra time. So as for this wig, it straightens very greatly, it straightens quick, it curls quick, but it does not really hold a curl that I've noticed. So I'm going to try to curl it in front of you guys on camera. We can curl it together and do a full curl test in my next video if that's something you're interested in, to see if this hair really will hold up to the test. Now I don't think that I'm going to color this hair, so I will not be getting any color in this testing, but I hope you guys were able to get a pretty good idea of UNIWIGS. I personally have heard of them quite a bit, and I'm not sure if they're affiliated with anything university wise or if they're just called UNIWIGS, but I will be sure to leave their email and everything else in the description box for you guys to check out. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I had to say for you guys. I wanted to make a quick video, a little update on my hair and my accessories so that you guys are able to shop before I sell out. So thanks so much for your support and for tuning in. Let me know in the comments what you think about my chokers, sis, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.